Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to scrape emails for free through Google Map. Right, so the first thing you want to do is go to your browser, then you want to search for MailC. All right, so once you search for MailC, you scroll down to this one, then you open it. All right, so MailC is a Chrome extension. So what we're gonna do is step one, download MailC. So we're gonna download. Okay, then step two, then extract the image. Let's download. All right, so now that we've downloaded the file, you want to open the file. Okay, so you want to extract the file into a folder, or you can just extract it. All right, so now you can create a new folder. See, you want to move the files you just into folder. So right here. So now we'll go back to Chrome. You want to click on these extensions. Then you want to go to manage extensions. Okay, so you toggle on developer mode. So you want to click on load unpack. All right, then you find the folder AC, then you select folder. All right, so extension loaded. All right, so this is our extension right here. You want to make sure it is pinned to the top. Okay, go back. So what you want to do next is click on this extension again. Then you want to look for MailC right here. Then you want to select, you want to pin it to the top. And so to use it, all you have to do is just click on it. All right, so you can, log in here. You can create an account, and then so I'm going to continue with Google. So as you can see, our MailC is up and active. So right here we have Google Maps, Google Search, Mass Scraper. Okay, so right here it says free membership, 100 emails limit. Then you can upgrade premium. It's just $1. It's just $2. Okay, so to use MailC, what you want to do is since we want a scraper for Google Maps, all you have to do is just click on Google Maps, then turn it on. All right, so scrape the result of your Google Maps. So we're gonna go to, then you open a new link, go to Google Maps. All right, so what is it that we want to look for? Dentist, and Los Angeles. Then you click on dentist in Los Angeles. Then you go back right here. All right, you turn it on. So once you've turned it on, right here you can see it says extract all search pages. So you click on extract all search pages. So MailC is going to extract all the pages. All we have to do is just wait. Our Google Map extraction is finished. Okay, so we'll just click on it. Then you click on download. So it's going to download all the emails. Okay, all right, so this is our Google Map. So right here, all you have to do is just to use this email, you just open it and connect it to your Excel. So it's pretty easy and straightforward to use this MailC app to scrape emails on Google Maps. So if you gain something from this video, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel.